Right. You get to say something.
Okay.
Tilt it down just a little bit. Tilt it down just a little bit.
You didn't show yourself.
Okay. You can't sleep, your back hurts, your body aches, and the stress in your life is just overwhelming. What if I told you I possibly had a cure or something to modify those feelings? Would any of you want to know what that is?
Me.
Yoga. Now you're probably thinking yoga, yeah, right. I have met many people that will not even consider doing yoga because they believe it's a religion worshiping other gods, when really yoga has descended from the Hindus and is a series of postures and breathing techniques and sometimes meditation. I've been doing yoga for almost 2 years now, on and off, I do admit. The purpose of my speech is to persuade each of you that yoga is wonderful exercise and that it is beneficial for so many reasons. Before taking a yoga class, each of you should know what types of yoga there are and what the benefits are. Your number one worry in life is probably your health. Am I correct?
Yes.
Everyone wants to be healthy and live a long, wonderful life. No one wants to be sick and hurting all the time. Referring to WebMD.com, some of the most important health benefits yoga has is controlling diabetes, strengthening your heart, helps body aches, better breathing for asthma people, weight loss, reduces stress, and just makes you an all-around happier person. According to OrganicFacts.net, tests have showed positive feedback for yoga when helping depression and anxiety. Yoga is used in many different sports. In high school, we did yoga in cross country. I've even seen it used in football and baseball. Have you ever done or seen the info commercials on P90X or Insanity?
Mm-hmm.
Yoga is the #1 stretching method and even exercise method in these DVDs. Yoga is used in many sports because it has many benefits. According to acbout.com, the benefits of yoga when used in sports are relaxed breathing, increased core strength, increased flexibility and range of motion, balance, which is good for cheerleaders. It is good for cross-training and helps prevent injuries. According to Stack.com, LeBron James, a famous athlete, even does yoga. He was reported saying, yoga isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. It's a technique that has really helped me. I had some lower back pains a few years ago, and I started to do yoga, and it helped them go away. They also reported that Shaquille O'Neal, Ray Lewis, Victor Cruz, and many more famous athletes have turned to yoga. So obviously yoga isn't just for men and for women, it's for men and women. It also is for all ages, from toddlers to elders. I have even read from WellnessInside.com that a lady who was 87 years old was teaching and practicing yoga twice a week. Now yoga has many different types of classes, too many to even name. I'm going to tell you a few different types of classes, but please excuse my pronunciation. They are Bikram, Hatha, Vinsa, Power, Prenatal, Restorative, Seniors Yoga, and more. Bikram is a yoga that is done in a very high humidity. Hatha is a yoga that is focusing on slow and gentle movements. Power yoga is an intense yoga, and it's good for athletes. Restorative is a winding down yoga. Prenatal is for pregnant women and helps with birthing techniques. And seniors yoga is for men and women who are in their later years and focus on slower but strengthening techniques. Yoga has countless types of poses: down dog, cobra, child's pose, tree pose, and many more. Each pose has a reason and is very important. Next time you're feeling stressed or you're in the middle of a workout and you need to take a minute, get down into child's pose. This is an example of child's pose. It is a relaxation pose and helps stretch out your back. Where to find yoga, you ask? Easy. Find a gym, find out what classes they offer. Some gyms even do free trials. If it's what you want and you want to do it, join the gym. Don't have time for a gym or the money for a gym? Easy. Go buy a DVD or even turn to YouTube. I never have time for the gym with 2 kids, so I turn to YouTube. I type in the word yoga. Jillian Michaels' Meltdown is my favorite. I do it probably about 3 times a week. You don't know what to wear to yoga? Easy. I'm an example of good yoga attire. You can find it anywhere: Walmart, Target, Academy, just about anywhere. The purpose of my speech today has been to convince each of you to take charge of your health and try something different. I hope you realize that not all things require doctors and medicine. As statistics show, people who do yoga on a regular schedule have reported less back pain, improving blood pressure, helping asthma, women's injuries, helps depression and anxiety, and relieve stress. As someone who has seen relief from yoga, or has seen relief from joint pain by doing yoga, I stand as a living testimony. Have you ever had back pain, stress, anxiety, weight issues, or anything that I've mentioned above? Raise your hand. Now, how many of you want to take charge and do something about it? Good, all of you? Great. Great. Now, if you're ready to be a new, healthier you, explore the world of yoga. You will be amazed at just what one session will do for your body and your mind. Remember to stick to it and get the most out of yoga. I promise it'll be rewarding. I hope you take charge and explore the wonderful world of yoga. Namaste.